kawanan sa first level sa Insular Square Mall, Pasag, Mandawi City. Uban sa pag-alayon sa Some Sweet K Productions, the voice of Nick's Big Star, Six. Inyong mabati, live dinhi sa DYKC Radio Ronda, the voice of Nick's Big Star, Six. N&E Tarpaulin Printing and Advertising Services. Mudawat og mga orders sa pagpaimprinta sa tanan ninyong gusto. Nature Stream Water Repelling Station. Alang sa inyong panginahanglan sa inadlaw-adlawng ilimnon nga tubig, kining tanan anaa sa makatarunganon nga presyo o serbisyo. Anaa mahimutang sa F. Martir Street, Siyudad sa Lapu-Lapu. N&E Tarpaulin Printing and Advertising Services o Nature Stream Repelling Water Station. Matawag sa telepono 340-2723. Gipanag-iya ni Nida V. Abella.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DYKC Cebu.
Okay, mayong buntag sa itong mga suking tigpaminaw dinhi sa DYKC. Pasensya kayo on short notice atong gi-move ron sa sayong bahin ang ato ang tulumanon. Otherwise nga inyong naandan nga matag alauna sa buntag ato lang gisibog karon sa alas 11 tungod na ay ipahigayon ang ato ang telephone company sa pagpang-ayo sa mga kawayringan dinis ato ang area nga nagkaguliyang. So atong samas akong giingon gahapon, akong gi-announce gahapon nga karong adlaw sa radyo dyaryo ana atay mga bisita sa nagrepresent sa ato ang kaning mga grupo nga diabetic or diabetes society dinhi sa Pilipinas. Atong hangyoon atong mga bisita nga mupaila-ila sa ilang kaugalingon. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Please introduce yourselves.
I'm Dr. Res Bautista from the Philippine Diabetic Athletes.
Okay, ikaw naman, Miss Beautiful.
Okay. I am Alisa Cruz, also from the Philippine Diabetic Athletes.
Good morning, lady and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Ano bang para sa atin ngayong mga listeners? I understand you have an activity tomorrow?
Yes, we'd like to invite everyone to go to the Ayala Mall Activity Center tomorrow, starting at 10 o'clock. We will have a series of talks from specialists regarding diabetes, nutrition, and running. What we want to do is we want to encourage people, especially those with diabetes, to get to know their body better, to get to know diabetes better, and to start an exercise program.
Okay, Alisa?
We'd also like to invite even the non-diabetics so that they'll learn more about the disease, and if they want to lose weight, we'll also have different running coaches and nutritionists to talk more about these things.
Okay, sa atong mga tigpaminaw, nakadungog mo ilang unang opening statement na ay kalihukan ugma dito sa Ayala Activity Center. Sabado man ugma, murag waylaing kapaingnan kundi magsuroy-suroy o pabugnaw. Samtang magpabugnaw kamo ugma dito sa Ayala na ay ipahigayon nga mga forum dito bahin sa diabetes. So agi mo dito sa may activity center alas 10, libre ni, makadungog pa mo, makakuha pa mo impormasyon nga mahinungdanon kahit sa panglawas. So Doc, pwede po bang elaborate ninyo ano ang mangyayari bukas aside sa mga lectures nga mangyayari din doon sa activity center?
Tomorrow, aside from the lectures, we'll be starting off with talks from our president of Hinge Publications. That will be Poch Bermudez. He will be introducing the activity. This is the first time that we'll be bringing our diabetes advocacy outside Metro Manila. So we're very happy to be in Cebu. It'll be our first activity outside Metro Manila tomorrow, and we're going to invite the people of Cebu to join us. Then tomorrow, we'll be starting off with diabetes specialists. So they'll be talking about the condition and how to, if you are diabetic, how best to manage your condition so that you can engage in regular exercise.
Yeah, I understand exercise is a very important part of addressing the diabetic problem.
Yes.
I understand you also have athletes. You yourself, you are an athlete, right?
Yes, yes.
So, how big is your group?
At the moment, the team diabetics is about 70.
The core members
Yes.
are seven.
Seven,
That's the
yes.
competing team.
Okay.
And then for the regular members of Philippine Diabetic Athletes, we have about close to 60 in Metro Manila.
Philippine Diabetic Athletes. So, we have a lot of athletes who are diabetic.
Yes, our numbers are increasing. We've found that there are a lot of people with diabetes who are also who enjoy regular exercise, and some of them also enjoy intense regular exercise, such as the 7 founding members of PDAT. Because of our experience, we want to share what we've learned as diabetics with those who are still getting started with a program to get themselves to overcome diabetes.
Kinsa katong nagpaminaw sa tong mga tulmanon karon na ug doon na mo'y mga pangutana sa ato ang mga bisita karon na tawag lang mo sa 346-3848 aron sa inyong mga pangutana. Dak, if we were to be asked this morning by our listeners, anong sports ba, is there a kind of sport that would best address the problem of diabetic persons? Ano ba, what is the best for them? Is there any particular one or anything?
Regarding let's start first with how to address diabetes. No?
Okay.
Before you get into a regular exercise program.
Okay, that's good.
If you have diabetes, or if you think you have diabetes, see your doctor first.
Okay.
Once you've seen your doctor, you'll know if you need to get on a special diet, if you need medication, oral medication, or if you're going to need insulin. Once that's set and you get your doctor's permission, you can get into a regular exercise program. You can start with brisk walking, or you can start with light running, or light swimming if that's what you're interested in. But the kind of exercise that we encourage, our group is encouraging, are endurance sports such as swimming, biking, and running, because these are the sports which raise your cardiovascular conditioning. So it's good for blood sugar control. But always check first with your doctor.
Okay, what are the latest treatments in diabetes as far as very active people are concerned? Meron bang mga bagong developments dyan tungkol sa...
If you hear about yung mga bagong developments sa treatment and diabetes, no, you hear about stem cell research and how it can be used to regrow the beta cells, which are part of your pancreas, no, which produce insulin. For those with diabetes kasi, maaaring hindi ka na gumagawa ng sariling insulin, or yung katawan mo hindi na nagre-respond dun sa insulin na ginagawa mo. Yun ang general problems ng diabetics. Treatment-wise, you always start with diet. So, you have to look at the food that you're eating. Dapat tama yung food na hindi masyadong pumapalo yung blood sugar mo na mataas. Blood sugar control is very important. So, you need to eat the right food. And then, if a strict diet is not enough, your doctor will put you on oral medication if you're a type 2 diabetic.